Hello, good evening. I would like to talk about how to put stop loss when you open a trade, and how you can extend it, how you can take profit when you open a trade. So this will be in English and also in Hausa. So first segment will be in English. Okay, let's go. Let's look at let's look at let's get Bitcoin. Let's get Bitcoin. This is GMT. Let me use GMT. So this is GMT and this is from 1 hour chart. So before you put stop loss, you need to look at the time frame and other trends and how the market is moving. So for instance, now if you look at here is a support, call it a support, and you can open a trade from here. So let's say this is the support. The support is 1.4, and the price currently is at 1.48. The support is 1.41. So right now, let's assume it, because the time is just 7:21. That's 21 minutes after 7. That is within the 1 hour. So when you can open a trade round, when you open a trade, the first thing you need to look at the trend. Then you first look at where you want the area of value where you are going to. Do you need to open a trade now or not? So you look at the support. Yeah, this is a support zone. It's almost a double bottom. Open a trade. When you open a trade, let's assume you have you just put, you come here, you put $100. You put $100 here, and you buy GMT at the price of 145. So let's take 145. That is the price you bought. So, and you are targeting, because this is support, you are targeting the price to go to 1.51 or 1.52, or maybe this resistance from 1 hour, 1.62. So that is where you are targeting. So, and how can you put your stop loss now? So after you purchase, then you come in. After you purchase, you move from buy here, then you click on sell. Then you choose from these options here. There is this limit and market and stop limit. So you click on stop limit. When you click on stop limit, it will bring you here. So here you are going to put the amount of the GMT you purchase, then you put maybe 500 GMT. So you have a 500 GMT at 728 US dollars. So then you come to limit. You say, because our support is 1.41. Our support is 1.41. So then you come this limit. This limit, you say, okay, when the price comes down to 1.40, that is around this area, because you are about to lose your money. Okay, 1.37 or 1.3, because it might close below here, 1.38. So if the price comes down to 1.3, the price comes down to 1.38, the price will come down to 1.38. So you are targeting, you said, okay, here it's a stop. So it will ask it will post your sell order when the price reach what you're going to put at the stop bottom. So here you put 1.3. Okay, this is a support 1.41, so you need to put it down here. Then you put 1.38. So here it will be 1.36 or 37. So what you need to look at is the stop has to be at the top of the limit, so that when the price come down to 1.38, then it will post a order to sell your asset at 1.37. So this is how you are going to put your stop loss. So instead of maybe the price will come down up to like 1.2, maybe $1.1, you cut the stop loss, you only do so that you have so much money with you that you can open another trade. So that is the purpose of putting stop loss. So let's look at the OCO. The OCO stands for one condition to other or something like that. One condition, or I think it's so I think it's let's look at OCO. OCO is one cancel order. So it is going to work the same way with stop loss, but with a take profit at the same time. So let's say you have you come to OCO after you purchase your GMT, then you come to OCO, you purchase 500 GMT. Then you put your stop limit. What do you say our stop limit is? 1.37, then 1.38. So what is going to happen when the price go down to sell, and at the same time here you put the price where your target is. We are targeting the price to break this resistance and go, okay, maybe 1.51 or 1.57 or 1.6 to their all resistance. So you say, okay, when the price reaches 1.629, the condition will sell your coin and you take profit 1.69. So this will work at the same time. When the price reaches 1.69, it will sell and keep your profit and your capital. So when the price is going down, it will stop at 1.38, put it on the other, then it will sell it at 1.37. Let me hope you understand this, and let's protect our capital from this market. The only thing that we have power over it is your capital. The other thing, just protect and wait for it. Thank you very much. Let me explain it in hausa so that people can understand it better. So barkan kowa da yamma. Yanzu za mu yi magana ne akan yadda ake sa stop loss saboda kai protecting ɗin kuɗinka daga zuwa ƙasa sosai, kai losing kuɗi ɗan kaɗan iya wanda kaga za ka iya losing ɗin shi. So dama za ka buɗe trade za ka tsaya ne ka duba inda support yake. Yanzu inda nan yake nan support ne 1.4, 1.39 zuwa 1.4 duka support ne. So abinda muke da shi a nan yana muna kiran shi double bottom. Idan ka buɗe trade daga nan bayan ka saya abin ɗinka target ɗinka yadda muka explain da turanci, target ɗinka shine 1.62 ko 1.57 inda yake yanzu haka ya taɓa 1.52. So lokacin da ka buɗe lokacin da ka buɗe trade ɗinka kana buɗe trade ɗinka sai ka zo nan wurin ta gefe za ko a waya za ka gan shi a gefe so sai ka zo nan wurin idan ka zo nan wurin za ka taɓa stop loss sai ka sa amount da kake da shi 500 GMT idan ka sa amount da kake da shi sai ka sa ƙasa daidai ƙasar nan saboda nan wurin support in ya tafi in ya breaking nan wurin zai tafi ƙasa zai iya zuwa har 1.2 sai ka zo nan wurin ka sa stop loss nan wurin masa limit mu 1.37 limitin shine daidai iyaka inda zai siyar maka da shi to stop kuma shine inda zai samu ka shi a order sai ka sa stop ɗin ya zama yana sama kaɗan a gaban limitin kaɗan za ka sa in ka sa sai kai clicking sell so kana sawa yanzu ka ga nan kamar mun sa 1.38 na 1.37 GMT amma da muke da shi sai ka zo ka sa sai to kana sa sai zai je ko da ya ajiye shi duk sanda ya sauko ƙasa zai siyar da shi a wannan price so banda stop limit akwai abin da muke amfani da shi kuma muke kiran shi OCO one cancel order so one cancel order shi za mu zo yi maganar trailing stop ɗin nan amma bari mu yi OCO ɗin saboda ya fi amfani yanzu so OCO shi ma duk yana ɗaya daga cikin wanda shi yana amfani ne da abu biyu lokaci ɗaya amma zai amfani da wanda ya riga tafiya direction so za ka zo shi ma nan ka sa limit ɗinka ka sa stop nan kuma ka sa target inda kake so idan price ɗin ya tafi sama zai ɗauka maka riban ka da kuɗin ka ya ajiye maka idan ka sa shi ma sai ka yi clicking stop so aka ake sa stop loss da take profit lokacin da ka buɗe trade so za ka iya kuma yana tafiya yanzu misali in ka ga yana tafiya ka ga ya zo nan dama target ɗin 1.69 sai ka ga ya zo nan kuma ga counter ɗin da masifan ƙarfi za ka iya taking profit a nan maybe ka sa koma kan limit maybe ka sa 50% sai ka yi clicking na wurin zai baka 50% za ka sai da rabin abin da kake da shi sai ajiye maka sai ka bar 50 so sai ka matsar da stop loss ɗinka maybe zuwa sama kaɗan haka zuwa sama kaɗan zuwa 1.51 because spread ya riga da ya kai 1.6 so kaga yanzu idan ya taɓa nan ma in zai sauko zai tsaya a 1.59 a 1.51 inda ka sa stop loss ɗinka so idan mutum ya fahimci wannan da Allah sai ka mana bayani in kuma da question kana tambaya sai ka tambaya